Look at the air conditioners coming out good. Setting it up was a breeze.
This is an outside view. If you can see the air conditioner, we're setting it up. We drilled the hole so we could set up the electrical work.
Junction box.
In this scenario, we're actually doing waterproofing and cleaning out the pipes. Anything that's in there, we're trying to flush it out, make sure it's all nice and clean prior to setting it up. So we have electrical running too also, and that's the next step we're gonna do. Here we are setting up a new breakers for our actual power to run into the system. We want to separate it, the actual breaker, so if the whole system goes down, we know exactly where to turn it back on. Here it is. Electrical work has been completed. The duct pipes have been actually covered. We took out, make sure that there's no pressure, that pressure wasn't leaking anywhere. We did waterproofing on the top, all right? That's important, so it won't leak. We elevated at least a couple inches, 2 to 2.5 inches elevation. It's guaranteed so it could work. And in case any flooding or anything happens, at least it's off the ground. That's a mandatory thing. So you are gonna have to have investment into something like this. I would suggest hiring somebody to do the work to set up. Electrical work is very important. That's one of the most important things. It's a couple months you have to come in, have it maintenance, because it does need fluid. You do need that. We're going to talk a little bit more about the inside too. So this is a plus to have power out here and have the system off the ground. You are going to need some space. The junction box is right here. If you guys can see it, right next to it, where I'm going to be distributing the power to the system itself. Okay, so I actually placed the controller here, and the controller has a lot of functions. So I'm going to show you some of the stuff right now. We had it in cool, right? We're going to turn it on. And we're gonna put it at 78, but I'm gonna lower it down so you guys can see. Right now this room is about 90 degrees, but we're gonna lower it down to 72. On the LED light. And then, like I said, lots of modes. It has many a mode. Right now, this is loud. Not as loud as I thought it was gonna be, but that's as loud as it goes. And I'm gonna show you how loud it is. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys. That's how loud it is, and that's on turbo. All right, I would put it at 77, 78 just to keep it just nice and cool. And then with the additional fan, it rotates, it circulates the actual air in here. So really worth the actual purchase. Instead of adding one in your window, it's best if you add it into your wall and you don't have to worry about any kind of issues having to go in and out the window, or maybe somebody breaking in. I mean, this is a great buy. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.